Kapuso aktor na si Dingdong Dantes at singer na si Gary Valenciano nagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw ng broadcaster na si Mike Enriquez. Pero bago pong ating balita, huwag pong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pindutin ang notification bell para lagi po kayo updated sa ating mga balita. Sa kanyang social media account post, ipinahayag ng TV host at kapuso aktor na si Dingdong Dantes ang kanyang matinding pagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw ng veteranong broadcaster na si Mike Enriquez. Dito ay pinuri ng aktor si Enriquez bilang isang matibay na haligi ng industriya na nagpakita ng walang patid na integridad, hindi natitinag na katapatan, at walang kapantay na professionalismo. Narito ang buong pahayag ng kapuso actor sa kanyang post. In deep sorrow, I stand united with the Kapuso community and our nation in mourning the loss of an industry stalwart, a man of unyielding integrity, unwavering loyalty, and unparalleled professionalism. He leaves behind a void that cannot be filled. His legacy of serbisyong totoo will forever remind us of his dedication to truth. Through his body of work, his impact remains indelible. He may have departed, but his remarkable traits will continue to inspire us all. We'll miss you, Sir Mike. Samantala, ibinahagi naman ng singer na si Gary Valenciano sa kanyang social media account ang kanyang pagdadalamhati at inalala ang malalim na pagkakaibigan nila ni Mike Enriquez. Narito ang buong pahayag ni Gary sa kanyang social media account. He was not only an outstanding broadcaster, but a dear friend. In the 80s and 90s, he was a radio disc jockey of a popular radio station 93.9 WKC. Baby Michael was his handle then, and he always supported me to the max, as he would help promote my shows. We had some real good talks on life as we bounce off our thoughts on our common health conditions. Your voice, style, and personality, this and so much more will be missed, Mike. Can't help but smile imagining how Jesus may have affectionately welcomed you home, gently saying, Sir Mike Enriquez, pasok. Mula sa isang tunay na kapamilya sa isang tunay na kapuso. Love you, bro. Paalalang pumanaw ang veteranong broadcaster na si Mike Enriquez nito lamang August 29 sa edad na 71. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-subscribe para sa iba pang showbiz updates. Kita-kita po tayo sa aking next video. Thank you.